Guys, hi from the bike. This is an early morning bike ride. My allergies are kind of, out there, but yeah, I'm trying to see if I record myself at all because I'm on the bike and it's not very safe. Oh, yeah, I had a kind of a bad night. I'm not sure why. But I'm going to the lake before it gets really hot. It's going to be around 120 today. So let's see what happens when I get there. So I'm on my way to the lake. And I have to tell you guys, it's burning already. And it's 9 o'clock in the morning. So how it's going to get, I'm not sure. I think today is going to be super hot. Tomorrow morning at 8 I have my tooth, they're gonna try it out. And yeah, we'll see what happens. I hate it. I just don't like the summer as well. I mean, it's just too hot here anyway. But yeah, I'm here, as you can see, and it's always nice to be here because I was here when I was little, and it just reminds me, I'm kind of nostalgic, so it reminds me of when I was here as a little kid with my grandpa or my dad when he was normal. So yeah, let's just see what's what here. Yep. Okay. So those are the marshes there, and we're coming to the main lake where people, sunbathe, which I'm not gonna do ever. But yeah, it's nice. There is almost nobody here. That's strange. Almost only old people come here because they remember when it was, when they were young and stuff. But yeah, let's just go to the old lake, to the lake that's not been, made into resort. See how beautiful it is. I mean, it's so different. Oh, yeah. Let's just go. I'm gonna try and find a bench that's in the shade, but I'm not sure if we're gonna be able to do that. Hi guys. Oh, I know I look a mess in the sun, but believe me, it's hot. It's very, very hot. But yeah. See, what a great statue. So it's morning and it's already 30 Celsius as I saw now, so that's very, very hot. But let's see if there is any shady bench here that I can just, park myself and just rest a bit. Yep. The apples are falling here, but it's really nice though. Yeah. Just trying to find a bench here. Let's see this. Okay. So this is Yokaimor. Okay. Always remember that beautiful words are not always truthful, and truth And truthful words are not always beautiful. That's what it says here. And it's a great statue, actually. You know, since I went to the academy and we had a sculpture, it's very well done. You can see the finger marks and stuff. But yeah, we are here for the nature, right? And let's find shade. So I came here where there's shade. I'm sitting on the bench and it's really hot, so it's a good thing I brought my little towel. And as I said, tomorrow I have the dentist. I'm not looking forward because she's gonna try to put a tooth in, and if it's not good, it's gotta go back to the technician, and so on and so on. And it's been taking three weeks now. So, but it's so serene. Wait, see, it's so nice and serene here. It's so on the bench, as you can see, and I'm in the shade. And there's not a lot of people here. There's the statue. And as a little kid, I was climbing these trees. And it was really nice, really. But now, I'm just an old child. That's how I perceive myself. And there's a lot of wild apples here, as you can see. They're pretty good to eat. It's from this apple tree above me. Yeah, this one. Nobody picks them up anymore. It's kind of weird. But yeah, guys, I'm pretty hot. I'm gonna just rest for a while and then I'm gonna go on. I'm not sure what I'm gonna eat today, or if I'm even in a mood for food. You know, when it's hot, I'm not sure how about you, but I got no appetite, you know. Look at my Grace. Sexy. But yeah, waiting for the tooth to fill those, you know, I got some mojo, and I have one tooth that really stinks, and I have to tell that to the dentist. It's number 7 here. I don't know why. I guess it needs just a change of a filling. Oh, such a great team, right? But anyway, yeah. It's a nice day. It's Sunday. I'm alone. I'm not sure if I should go home today. Maybe tonight and then sleep over, then the dentist, and then back. Because if I go tomorrow morning with a bike, I'm gonna be really sweaty. So I'm thinking, yeah. Because if I leave, I have to leave my cat alone here. She's not used to that, so I don't think I'm gonna do that. I think it's easier for me to sleep here and then go home. Yep, it's easier. So, hi guys. Oh, I nearly fell. So I'm just here so you can see me and the lake, and it's really nice. I wish I could just dip my feet in it, but I can't. Yeah. It's Very beautiful, as you can see. Oh. Love the colors. Yeah. Oh, there's a lot of fishes jumping out. I used to fish here when I was little. Somewhere over there. Yeah, it was nice time. It was the best times ever. Yes. And we'll take the path now and just disappear into nothingness. There are some ducks here. Let's see them if we can. I think it's so beautiful. The reflection look. Because when you turn it around, see, you get a totally different perspective on things. Yep. And the duckies are here. Not sure if you can see them. They're there on the log. Yeah, I'm not gonna go further because I don't want to scare them. Yeah. Look, this is so beautiful. This marshland just looks so out of this world, doesn't it? Yes, it does. I'm gonna try to push my bike and record, but it's really hard, believe me, but I'll try. Oh, okay, there's the path. And yeah, I hope you like it. It's a totally, you know, look at this, it's so beautiful. I'm just trying to do other stuff than moaning and being sad all the time because I'm kind of tired of it as well. You know, nothing will get fixed by moaning all the time, and that's what I've been doing for a while now, so. Oh, that's a beautiful spot, look. And I think there's a bench there, so. Oh, there's a lot of mosquitoes. I can see them. I don't want to get bitten over and over. There's an ugly rubber thing here. It's a dirty thing. I'm just going to remove that. There's no place for that here. The nature is too beautiful to be destroyed like that. But yeah, I'm just sitting on the shore, and I have to tell you, the mosquitoes are mean. But look how beautiful it is. Oh, I love this wild nature. I just love it. So yeah, guys, I'm just here sitting, and maybe if I turn here, you'll see me better. Yep. And I'm wiping the sweat off, and you know, the mosquitoes really like sweat, and there's a lot of them here. Oof. So I think I'll go and let's record some more nature, guys. Aren't we fast? Yep. Just driving around, looking at things, smiling at people. People are beautiful, but I'm not, you see, a downer. No, I am. Doo-doo-doo. Oh, I'm under the bridge, just looking for cat grass, and yeah, see, that's where we played when I was little, on that little hill. That's the atomic shelter, and there was a war here when I was little, so, you know, we had fun. We had fun. We had fun. I'm crazy, sorry guys. Today I'm just crazy. Let's see about the grass around here. There is good grass. Let's just pick. No, you have to be really careful when you pick the cat grass, so because you can pick the wrong kind and the cats get poisoned, but you have to pick the right kind, the right size and the right thickness because they can cut themselves. So yeah, a little bit educational. So that's a horse riding club. We're driving past and oh guys, I have to tell you, I am wet as a wet towel, I guess. But it's so healthy to get sweaty. Oh my god. Look at a crow. She goes. I don't know what's wrong with me today. I'm kind of in a how do you say, poetry mood. The nature is pretty and I feel shitty. Not poetry. Hi guys. So finally some shade. Just going home and I hope you can hear me. A lot of people here. Hikes. I have to be careful not to lose my phone. Yep. Okay. So guys, still on this stretch of land that's too hot to describe. The city is there and I'm just pointing down so people wouldn't think I record them. And yeah, there's a football match here. Actually, you probably call it a soccer match. And there's a horse riding thing here. Nobody's here, of course. And yeah, let's just go home and rest. I think I earned it. It was a beautiful 1 hour ride. Just nature relaxing times. And again, everything is in rhymes. And I'm just crazy as a fuck. Oh. Bye guys.